Important sessions of INC. 1885 Bombay. W.C. Banerjee. First session attended by 72 delegates. 1886 Calcutta. Dadabhai Naoroji. The Congress decided to set up provincial Congress committees across the country. 1887 Madras. Badruddin Tayyabji appealed to Muslim to join INC and first Muslim president. 1888 Allahabad. George Hewley, first non-Indian to be president of INC. 1905 Gopal Krishnan Gokhale expressed resentment against Bengal partition, boycott of foreign goods, promotion of Swadeshi goods and Indian industries, public meeting and processions, corps for volunteer or samitis, Swadeshi Bandhav Samiti of Ashwani Kumar Datta, use of traditional popular festivals and melas, Ganpati festivals, traditional folk theatre, nationalist song Amar Sonar Bangla, Sudesha Geetham, Subramaniam Bharati, painting Abindranath Tagore, scientific research Jagdish Chandra Bose, national education in vernacular medium, Bengal National College, National Council for Education. 1906 Calcutta. Dadabhai Naoroji. Word Swaraj mentioned for the first time. 1907 Surat. Raj Bihari Ghosh. Congress extremists split between moderates and extremists. 1908 Madras. Raj Bihari Bose. Constitution of INC drawn. 1909 Lahore. Madan Mohan Malviya expressed disapproval over formation of separate electorate based on religion. Indian Council Act 1909. 1916 Lucknow. A.C. Majumdar. Reunification of two factions in INC, that is moderates and extremists. Reunification of the two factions in INC, that is moderate and extremist. Death of Gokhale and Firoz Shah Mehta. Lucknow Pact between Muslim League and INC. INC accepted Muslim League demand of separate electorate. 1917 Calcutta. Annie Besant, first woman to preside the Congress session. 1919 Amritsar. Motilal Nehru. New constitution of INC formed, condemned the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, approved the Khilafat movement. 1920 special session Calcutta. Lala Lajpat Rai. NCM moved and adopted. 1920 Nagpur. Virar Vachari. Reconstitution of Congress committees on linguistic ground. Jinnah left the INC. 1922 Gaya. C.R. Das. C.R. Das and other leaders broke away from INC and formed Swarajist Party. C.R. Das presided session when he was in jail. 1924 Belgaum. M.K. Gandhi. Only session where Gandhiji presided. 1925 Kanpur. Sarojini Naidu. First Indian woman president of INC. 1927 Madras. M.A. Ansari. Resolution against using Indian troops in Mesopotamia, Iran and China. Resolution to boycott Simon Commission. Adopted resolution for Purna Swaraj. 1928 Calcutta. Motilal Nehru. First All India Youth Congress formed. 1929 Lahore. J. L. Nehru. Passed Purna Swaraj resolution. Authorized the working committee to launch civil disobedience, including non-payment of taxes. It had also called upon all members of legislature to resign their seats. 26 January observed as Independence Day and civil disobedience to be launched. 1931 Karachi. Vallabhbhai Patel endorsed Gandhi-Irwin Pact, resolution of fundamental rights and national economic program. Gandhi nominated to represent INC in the second RTC. 1934 Bombay. Rajendra Prasad. INC Constitution amended. 1936 Lucknow. Jawaharlal Nehru pushed towards socialist idea by Nehru. 1937 Faispur. J. L. Nehru. First session in a village. 1938 Haripura. S.C. Bose. National Planning Committee set under Nehru. 1939 Tripuri. Rajendra Prasad. Bose was re-elected as president but resigned when Gandhi supported P. Sitaramaiah. Rajendra Prasad was made president of the session. All India Forward Bloc faction within Congress in Bengal was formed by Bose in 1939. 1940 Ramgarh, Abul Kalam Azad, decision movement to launch civil disobedience. 1946 Meerut, J.V. Kriplani, last session before independence. Development of Indian press. Censorship Act 1799. Lord Wellesley checking of all materials before publication. Pre-censorship power given to Secretary of Government. Lord Hardinge abolished this act. Licensing Regulation 1823. License John Adams. License for printing and publication. Under this, many vernacular ceased. Example Ram Mohan's Mixet ul Akbar, Mirat ul Akbar. Metcalfe abolished this act. License Raj 1822 to 23. 1830 to 57 Liberation period. Utilitarian Bentinck. Licensing Act of 1857. Lord Canning. Enacted due to 1857 revolt. Tried to suppress the voice of Indian press. Later on withdrawn. Press Act of 1867. John Lawrence. Copies of newspapers should be kept in archives. Can be checked by future reference. Restriction Act 1870. Lord Mayo. Definition of sedition. S.N. Banerjee, first journalist who was charged with this law. Today's provision section 124A. Vernacular Press Act 1878. Security deposit and bond not tonight anything against if right amount will siege and press discard. DM check and investigate public share sharing document only to vernacular press. Example Amrit Bazar Patrika. Lytton passed 1878. Ripon removed 1881. Newspaper Act 1905. Magistrate will confiscate press if any newspaper will publish objectionable content. Newspapers were allowed to appeal High Court within 15 days. 17 presses were forfeited. 7 presses were forfeited. Indian Press Act 1910 empowered local government to demand security and also forfeit press if any objectionable content. Newspaper could appeal to Special Tribunal of High Court. Indian Press Act 1931 gave sweeping powers to provincial government to suppress the propaganda for CDM. After independence, Press Inquiry Committee 1947 to examine press laws in light of FR formulated by CA recommended the repeal of Indian Emergency Power Act 1931, modified sections 124A 156C of IPC. Press Objectionable Matters Act 1951, amended 1902 of the Constitution, empowered government to demand forfeit security, aggrieved owners and printers' right to demand trial by jury remained in force till 1956. Press Commission under Rajyaksha Commission recommended in 1954 establishment of All India Press Council. Other acts: Delivering of Books and Newspaper Public Libraries Act 1954, Working Journalist Act 1955, Newspaper Price and Pages Act 1956, Parliamentary Proceeding Protection and Publication Act 1960. Civil Services 1771 The Office of District Collector under Hastings Warren Hastings first to separate administration and com functions. Cornwallis organized civil service in framework, increased salary, promotions, seniority, if bribed De Beer, converted CS to ICS. Wellesley, Fort William College at Calcutta for training. Charter Act 1833, idea of competition, 4 times nominate, compete. Charter Act 1853, Macaulay Committee, competition based open. Indian Civil Service Act 1861, Civil Service Commission headed by Macaulay. AV 1860 22 years, 1856 21 year, 1877 19 year later, and 1892 21. Satyendra Nath Tagore, first to 1863 qualified. 1886 Atchison Committee, terms converted and unconverted. Classification Imperial Indian CS exam in England, Provincial CS India, Subordinate CS India. 1912 Islington Committee, accepted simultaneous exam in England, India. Began in 1922. 1922 to 40 60% CS were Indians. 1924 Lee Commission, establishment of ISC as laid down in GOI 1919. 1935 GOI Act, FPSC and PPSC demanded. Newspaper and or journal. Bengal Gazette, James Hickey. National Herald, J. Nehru. संबाद कौमुदी, राजा राम मोहन रॉय. मिरात उल अकबर, राजा राम मोहन रॉय. अमृत बाजार पत्रिका, सीसी कुमार घोष और मोतीलाल घोष. नेशनल पेपर एंड इंडियन मिरर वीकली ऑफ ब्रह्मो समाज, देवेंद्र नाथ टैगोर. बंगा दूता, राजा राम मोहन रॉय. राष्ट्र गुफ्तार, दादा भाई नौरोजी. हिंदू पेट्रोएट, गिरीश चंद्र घोष. बंदी जीवन, सचिंद्र नाथ सान्याल. बहिष्कृत भारत, अंबेडकर. बहिष्कृत भारत, अंबेडकर. मुकनायक, अंबेडकर. बॉम्बे क्रॉनिकल, फिरोज शाह मेहता. युगांतर, भरेंद्र कुमार घोष. वित्तल विध्वंसक, गोपाल बाबा वालंकर. वॉइस ऑफ इंडिया, दादा भाई नौरोजी. द हिंदू, started as weekly, G.S. Iyer, Viragachari and Subbarao Pandit. Vande Mataram at Paris, Madame Bikaji Kamaji. Gadar, Lala Hardayal at San Francisco. Indian sociologist at London, Shyamaji Krishna Verma. Talwar, Virendranath Chattopadhyay at Berlin. सैम प्रकाश, ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर. केसरी, मराठी, मराठा इंग्लिश, तिलक. सुधारक, जी अग्रकर. उद्बोधन, स्वामी विवेकानंद. इंडियन ओपिनियन, यंग इंडिया, नवजीवन, हरिजन, एम के गांधी. वंदे मातरम, अरबिंदो घोष. न्यू इंडिया, एनी बेसेंट. इंडिपेंडेंट, मोतीलाल नेहरू. फ्री हिंदुस्तान, तारक नाथ दास. एजुकेशनल रिफॉर्म अंडर कंपनीज रूल. इंडिविजुअल एफर्ट्स, 1781 कलकत्ता मदरसा बाई वॉरेन हेस्टिंग. 1791 बनारस संस्कृत कॉलेज बाई जॉनथन डंकन. गवर्नमेंट also set up 3 Sanskrit college in Calcutta, Delhi and Agra. 1800 Fort William College by Lord Wellesley closed in 1802. Charter Act 1813 promote knowledge of modern science, 1 lakh rupees annually, amount not made till 1823. Orientalist and Anglicist controversy. Anglicist government spending on education should be exclusively for modern studies. Anglicists were divided on the question of medium of instruction, English or vernacular language. Orientalists, Western science should be thought to take up jobs but emphasis on traditional Indian learning. Macaulay Minute 1835. In favor of Anglicist, government should made English as medium of instruction in school and colleges. Opened few English school and colleges instead of large number of elementary schools. That is neglected mass education. British planned to educate small sections of upper class and middle class. Efforts of Thomson 1843 to 53. John Thomson 1848 to 53 village education in vernacular language. Purpose was to train personnel for newly set up revenue and public work department. Wood's Dispatch 1854. Magna Carta of English education in India asked government to assume responsibility for education of masses, thus repudiating the downward filtration theory at least on paper. Anglo Vernacular High School and colleges at district level. Medium of instruction English higher. Vernacular school. Stress on female education, vocational education, teachers training, system of grants in aid. Laid stress on education imparted in government institutions, secularity 57, University of Calcutta, Bombay and Madras. After the Crown took over, Hunter Commission 1882 to 83 Ribbon. States effort to improve first education through vernacular. Transfer of control of education to newly set up districts and municipal boards. Second, education literary and vocational. Drew attention to inadequate facilities for females. Punjab Universities 1882, Allahabad University 1887, Pandit Ramabai plus Phule recommended and signed on this commission's recommendation. Indian University Act 1904 based on religion commission's report Raleigh Commission's report. University more attention to study and research. Office period of university fellows reduced. Most fellows were to be nominated by government. Government have the power to veto university senate decisions. Stricter conditions for affiliation of private colleges. 5 lakh per annum for 5 years for improvement of higher education and colleges. GKG retrogative measures. Viceroy Karjan increased university control over the private colleges. Government Resolution 1913. 1906 State of Baroda introduced compulsory primary education. 1913 Government's resolution on education policy. Government refused the responsibility of compulsory education but accepted the policy for removal of illiteracy and urged provincial government to take steps to provide free elementary education to poorer and more backward classes. Sadler Commission 1917. Calcutta University Commission to study and report on problems of Calcutta University. Schools 12 years. University 3 years degree. There should be less rigidity in framing university regulations. Universities should function as centralized unitary rather than scattered affiliated college. Female education, applied scientific and technical education. Teachers training. 1916 to 21. 7 new universities Mysore, Patna, Banaras, Aligarh, Dhaka, Lucknow, Osmania provided 2 degree and intern intermediate education and controlled by Board of 2 Education. Hurstow Commission 1929 appointed to survey growth of education's British education. Survey British education. Emphasis should be given on one education. Only deserving students should go for high schools and intermediate stages, and average students should be diverted towards vocational conveyances after 8th. For improving standards of university, admission should be restricted. suggestions could not be implemented effectively because of World War Economic Depression 1930 to 31. Basic Education Committee under Zakir Hussain, no place for English religious education, rejected by League. Wardha Scheme 1937, July 1937, Gandhi's article in Harijan. Based on this, INC organized All India National Education Conference. On 22 October 1937, President Gandhi. Main principle: learning through activities, inculcation of basic handicrafts in syllabus. First 7 year of schooling to be an integrated part of free and compulsory nationwide system education system in mother language. Teaching to be in Hindi 2nd to 7th and English after 8th. Basic Education Committee under Zakir Hussain, no place for English religious education, rejected by League. October 1937 at Wardha, INC organized conference. Zakir Hussain Committee formulated. Sergeant Plan 1944. Education type: pre 1 degree, age group 3 to 6 year. Free university universal compulsory elementary education 6 to 11 year. High school education 11 year. Adequate technical and commercial and art education. Abolition of intermediate course. Liquidation of adult illiteracy in 20 years. Stress on teachers training. One education for physically mentally handicapped. Objective to create within 40 years the same level of education as permitted in England. After independence, Radhakrishnan Commission 1948 to 49 to report on university 12 years pre-university education. University degree should not be considered essential for administrative services. Rural university with Shantiniketan and Jamia as their models established. Not more than 1000 students in each college. University education should be placed in concurrent list. UGC English medium of instruction for higher studies. Medium of instruction federal languages where federal and mother tongue are not same. Classical or modern Indian language same. Kothari Education Commission under DS Kothari to advise on national pattern of education. National policy was announced in 1968 which stressed on free universal compulsory education up to 14 year. Three language formula. Investment of 6% national income on education. Training and quality of teachers. Development of education of agri and industry. Recent developments: 1976 education placed in concurrent list. 1986 new policies on education. 2002 86th amendment. 2002 free and compulsory education from 6 to 14 year made FR. Factory Act of 1881. For first time British tries to improve condition of laborers, prohibited employment of childless below employment of children below age 7 to 12 age max 9 hours. Dangerous machines should be fenced properly. 1 hour rest period. 4 days of leave per month was made compulsory. Inspector appointed to supervise this act. Only applicable to factories using mechanical powers, employing not less than 100 workers. Factory Act of 1891. Minimum age raised from 7 to 9 years, 9 to 14 max 8 hours, and no work at night. For women, employment at night was provided. Midday stoppage and 1 day rest per week was prescribed for all workers. Applies to all factories employing not less than 50 workers. Based on Indian Factory Commission 1890. Factory Act of 1911. For first time hours for work for adult male worker was fixed at 12 hours per day. Certification of children's age was required based on Textile Factory and Labor Committee 1906. Indian Revolutionary Organization in India, Vyavan Mandal, Pune 1896 to 97, Chapekar Brothers, Mitra Mela, Nasik 1807, Savarkar Brothers, अनुशीलन समिति मिडनापुर 1902, परामरनाथ मित्रा, अभिनव भारत पुणे 1904, वाई डी सावरकर, सर स्वदेश बंधप समिति वायरिसल 1905, ए के दत्ता, अनुशीलन समिति ढाका 1907, पुलीन बिहारी दास, भारत माता सोसाइटी पंजाब 1907, अजीत सिंह और सूफी अम्बा प्रसाद, हिंदुस्तान रिपब्लिक एसोसिएशन कानपुर 1924, सत्येंद्र नाथ सान्याल, भारत नौजवान सभा लाहौर 1926, भगत सिंह, हिंदुस्तान सोशलिस्ट रिपब्लिक एसोसिएशन HSRA दिल्ली 1928, चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद। रिवॉल्यूशनरी इवेंट्स और केसेस, मर्डर ऑफ रॉन्ड एंड एमस्ट प्लेग्यू कमिश्नर पुणे 1897, चापेकर ब्रदर्स दामोदर एंड बालकृष्णा, अटेम्प्ट ऑफ मर्डर किंग्स फोर्ट विंडिकेटिव जज मुजफ्फरपुर 1908, खुदीराम बोस एंड प्रफुल्ला चक्की, मणिकल कलकत्ता एंड एलिपोर बॉम्ब कॉन्स्पिरेसी कलकत्ता 1908, अरबिंदो घोष, मर्डर ऑफ जैक्सन डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट नासिक 1909, अनंत कारके, मर्डर ऑफ करजन विली लंदन 1909, मैडम लाल धिंगरा, अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर हार्डिंग्स वाइसरॉय 1910 to 16 और दिल्ली बॉम्ब केस दिल्ली 1912, रास बिहारी बोस, सचिन सान्याल, बसंत कुमार, सीक्रेट सोसाइटी, बांडी चिरन, अमीर चंद, भाई बाल मुकुंद, अवध बिहारी एग्जीक्यूटेड, काकोरी ट्रेन डकैती केस लखनऊ 1925, राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल, अशफाक उल्ला खान, चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद, रोहन सिंह ओनली प्लानिंग, मर्डर ऑफ सैंडर्स ASP ऑफ लाहौर लाहौर 1928, भगत सिंह, मेरठ कॉन्स्पिरेसी केस 1929, 31 लेबर लीडर, 3 ब्रिटिश, पब्लिक सेफ्टी बिल, असेंबली बॉम्ब केस दिल्ली 1929, भगत सिंह, मुक्तेश्वर दत्त, चिट्टागोंग आर्मी डकैती चिट्टागोंग 1930, सूर्य सेन, प्रीति लता वाडेकर, कल्पना दत्त, शांति घोष, सुनीति चंदेरी, मर्डर ऑफ ओ डायर लंदन 1940, उधम सिंह, बनारस कॉन्स्पिरेसी, part of League armed rebellion which the Gadar movement planned in India, Ras Bihari Bose involved, Indian Revolutionary Organization in abroad, Indian Home Rule Society, Indian House London 1904, Shama Krishna Verma, Indian Sociologist Journal 1920, अभिनव भारत लंदन 1906, वीटी सावरकर, इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस लीग कैलिफोर्निया 1907, तारकनाथ दास, गदर पार्टी सैन फ्रांसिस्को 1930, लाला हरदयाल, इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस लीग बर्लिन जर्मनी 1914, लाला हरदयाल एंड वीरेंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय, NP तलवार, भूपेंद्र नाथ दत्ता, इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस लीग एंड गवर्नमेंट काबुल 1995, राजा महेंद्र प्रताप, पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल 1905, 20 जुलाई 1905, ऑफिशियल रीजन पॉपुलेशन 78 मिलियन, टू बिग टू एडमिनिस्टर, रियल रीजन टू वीकन बंगाल नर्व सेंटर फॉर इंडियन नेशनलिज्म बट हाउ, लैंग्वेज एंड रिलीजन, हिंदू बंगाली एंड मुस्लिम बंगाली, एंटी पार्टीशन मूवमेंट बाई मॉडरेट्स, सुरेंद्र नाथ बनर्जी, के मित्रा, पृथ्वीकाश चंद्र राय, मेथड्स adopted, petition, public meetings, न्यूज़पेपर में हिताबदी, द्विंद्रनाथ टैगोर, संजीवनी, के मित्रा, बंगाली, SN बनर्जी, आनंद मोहन बोस took meeting in North East Federation to mark unity, 7 अगस्त 1905, meeting in Calcutta Town Hall, passage of boycott resolution, formal proclamation of Swadeshi movement, King George V abrogated Curzon's Act at the Royal Darbar in Delhi in 1911. Owing to mass political protests, the partition of Bengal was annulled in 1911. स्वदेशी मूवमेंट 1905, पूना बॉम्बे तिलक, पंजाब लाला लाजपत एंड अजीत सिंह, दिल्ली सैयद हैदर रजा, Madras Chidambaram Pillai, Bipin Chandra Pal supported techniques adopted by new extremist corps of volunteers or samitis. Swadeshi Bandhav Samiti in Barisal by A.K. Datta. Imaginative use of festivals. Tagore, uh, Atura Shakti, National Dignity, Social Repress. Swadeshi reports. Swadeshi Education, Bengal National College by Arvindo Ghosh, Bengal Institute of Technology, National Council of Education to organize system of education literacy, scientific and technical on national lines and national control. Enterprises, Swadeshi Textile Mills, Soap and Match Factories, Bengal Chemicals by Prafulla Chandra Roy, Banks Insurance Company, Amar Sonar Bangla Tagore, Sudesha Githanial, Githangal, C. Subramaniam Bhartiyan, Thak- Thakurmar Julie, Dakshin Ranjan Mitra Mazuniar. Painting Rabindranath Tagore, first to paint Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Nandlal Bose, first scholarship Indian Society of Oriental Arts 1907, Indian Science Congress J.C. Bose. The other 1914 to 15 revolutionary activities in North America, Ram Das Puri, J.T. Kumar, Tarak Nath Das, Sohan Singh Bhakra, Lala Hardayal. By 1911, United House at Seattle, Swadeshi Swat Home at Vancouver. 1913, The Gardar Weekly, 1857, Chaya Samni Pratyarth, initially in English and Gurmukhi, Gurmukhi headquarters San Francisco. Gadar program organized assassination of officials, public revolutionary literature, working among Indian troops, procure arms and simultaneous revolt. Gadar leadership Barka Tula, Bhagwan Singh, Lala Hardayal, Sohan Singh Bhakra, Kartar Singh Saraba, Bhai Premanand, Ramchandra, secular leadership Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, etc. Banaras conspiracy, Ras Bihari Bose bombs at Punjab. Revolutionaries were encouraged by two events: Komagata, Maro incident, outbreak of World War I, Shore Committee. Assessment achievement ideological level, enrichment of militant nationalism with secular approach. Militarily failed by no organized and sustained leadership, no well prepared so failed. Defense of India passed in March 1915. Home Rule League 1916, started by Annie Besant on the Irish Home Rule League, December 1914, Congress session at Madras. President Bhupendra Nath Bose. Annie Besant demanded Tilak to be part of no entry Tilak opposition by Firoz Shah Mehta. December 1915, Congress session at Bombay. Firoz President S.P. Sinha. Entry eroded but demanded for Home Rule not accepted. Tilak Home Rule League in April 16 at Maharashtra. Bombay city excluded. Karnataka, Central Provinces and Berar. Demand raised by Tilak Swaraj, formation of linguistic states, education in vernacular language. Annie Besant demanded self-government for Indians after war. Newspaper New India Commonweal. As usual, Congress did not pass. September 1916, Home Rule at Madras by Madras Province by George Arundel, Bombay and rest of India, other than Tilak. Other leaders who joined: Motilal Nehru, J. Nehru, Bhulabhai Desai, Tej Bahadur Sapru, Chitranjan Das, Triple M Jinnah, Hindu Muslim Unity symbol by Sarojini Naidu. June 1970, Annie and Arundel arrested and released September 1970. December 1970, Annie and as president. Case against Tilak. Subramaniam Iyer, Sir renounced. Lucknow Pact 1916. Lucknow session in 1916, President A.C. Majumdar. Pact between Congress and Muslim League. Provision League plus Congress plus joint constitutional demand for self-government. Congress accepted League's position on separate electorate. Muslim won by 3 representation in central government. Separate electorates for all minorities until a community demand for joint electorate. Election of adult franchise. System of weightage should be adopted. No number of members in Central Legislative Assembly should be increased to 150. Executive and judiciary should be separated. At Provincial Legislative Council, 4 by member elected, 1 by 5 member nominated. Strength of Provincial Legislature Council should not be less than 125 in major provinces and 50 to 75 in minor provinces. Assessment. Acceptance of separate electorate implies two nation theory. No more fear for minorities that Hindu would rule over them. Rowlatt Act March 1919. Lord Chelmsford Sedition Committee was appointed by government in 1918 with Justice Rowlatt. Gave unbridled power to government to arrest and imprison suspects without trial. Gandhiji decided to fight against this law and gave the call for Satyagraha on 6 April 1919, first All India political movement. Gandhiji was arrested on 8 April 1919. Protest continued at Jallianwala Bagh massacre, called a Black Sabbath during Rowlatt Satyagraha of India, that the Gandhiji for the first time invited women to participate in national movement. At this time, Gandhi did not have support of INC, so he used Home Rule League member. Jallianwala Bagh 1919. The arrest of Saifuddin Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal on 10th April under Rowlatt Act in connection with Satyagraha caused unrest in Punjab. 13 April 1919, Baisakhi Day, public meeting was held on 13 April in Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar assembled. General Dyer ordered an indiscriminate heavy firing on crowd, 1526 killed. At that time, Michael O'Dwyer was Lieutenant Governor of Punjab. Rabindranath Tagore renounced his knighthood. Gandhiji returned Keshre-Hind. Gandhi received it for supporting British for World War I. Sardar Udham Singh shot down Michael O'Dwyer in London 1940. Swami Shraddhanand to preach from Jama Masjid. Khilafat 1920 to 22. Khilafat Conference elected Gandhi as president November 1919. Khafa Sultan of Turkey, looked upon by Muslims as their head religious. 1920s Treaty of Sevres with Turkey completely dismembered Turkey and cancelled post of Khalifa. Muslim anti-British attitude. Ali brothers Muhammad and Shaukat Ali launched anti-British movement in 1920 as Khilafat movement for restoration of Khalifa. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Hazrat Mohani also led this movement. It was supported by Gandhiji and INC, which paved way for Hindu-Muslim unity. Khilafat Committee launched it on 31st August 1920. Mopla Uprising 1921. NCM 1920 to 22. September 1920 INC session. At Calcutta special session. Aims Khilafat Punjab. Wrongs establishment of Swaraj. President Lala Lajpat Rai. Approval of by NCM. December 1920 Nagpur session. Endorsement of NCM. Changes in Congress way. Earlier Swaraj through constitutional means. Now self-government. Important organizational change. Setting of 15 member CWC. Provincial Congress Committee on linguistic base organized. Ward and village committees. Entry fee reduced to Gana. Charana. Entry fees reduced to Charanas. Boycott. Student left government schools. Jama Millia, Kashi Vidyapeeth, Gujarat Vidyapeeth and Bihar Vidyapeeth established. Lawyers gave up practice. Motilal Das, Rajaji Kichlu, Patel, Arun Asif Ali, Prince of Wales to India 17 November 1981. Empty streets. Congress committee at Bardoli. Resolution of stopping all activities. Swaraj Party 1923. Motilal Nehru, C.R. Das, Kelkar organized Swaraj Party on 1st January 1923 as Congress Khilafat Swaraj Party at Allahabad. 1928 election, Swaraj Party won 45 out of 145 seats. Clear majority in certain provinces. In Bengal, largest party. Swarajist demand entering the councils, releases of all political prisoners, replacing of repressive law. Lala Lajpat Rai joined, also resigned it in same year. Rajaji Patel, Rajendra Prasad opposed. 1925 death of C.R. Das, so party broke up in 1926. In 1925, Patel as president of CLA. Bardoli resolution announced withdrawal of NCM. Simon Commission 1927. November 1927 to revive working of the diarchy system, to look into ionistic reform, constitutional reform. To look into constitutional reforms, all members were European. To repeat on to what extent representative government can be introduced in India. Omitted any mention of the dominion status. Rejected transfer of power. Appointed by Section 84 of Government of India Act 1919. Hindu Mahasabha, Congress, League United. Factory mill owners to boycotted. Welcome Anglo-Indians, depressed classes who supported the Simon Commission. Unionist Party Punjab, Justice Party Madras, Muslim League, Mohammad Shafi Group, Central Sikh Sangathan, Akhil Bharatiya Aspriyata Gat, Lathi blow, Lala Lajpat Rai's death. As a revenge, Bhagat Singh and his comrade killed a police official. Saunders in December 1928. Report in 1930 first IRTC. Butler Committee, subcommittee along with Simon Commission, to inquire into the relationship between the Indian state and paramount power. Officially called Indian States Committee. Viceroy and not Gigi should be agent of paramount power in relation with princes. Nehru Report 1928. Feb 1928 All Party Conference. Motilal Nehru to draft the principles of Constitution. Committee member Tej Bahadur Sapru, Subhash Bose, M.S. Ahe, Mangal Singh, Ali Imam, Shob Qureshi, G.R. Pradhan. Nehru and Sapru are chief architect. Lord Irwin. Recommendations: Dominion status, self-government, rejected separate electorate, linguistic province, 19 FRs, protection of culture and religious interest of Muslim, equal representation to FEMA Ali. December 28, Calcutta session gave 1 year to implement. Jinnah 14 Principles, 8 March 1929. Jinnah did not accept a Nehru report. Thereafter drew up a list of demands which was called 14 Points of Jinnah. On March 28, 1929 at session in Delhi. Federal Constitution with residuary powers to provinces. Adequate representation to minorities in every province. Autonomy to provinces. Muslim 1/2 representation at center. Separate electorate continue. Full religious liberty to all. Delhi Proposal 1927. December 1927 Muslim League session. League demands to be incorporated in Constitution. Joint electorate plus reserved seats. 1/3 Muslim in CLA. Representation in Punjab and Bengal as per population. Formation of Muslim province Sindh. NRRJ. Lahore session 1929. December 1929 President J. Nehru, INC passed a resolution declaring Purna Swaraj. to be the goal of national movement. On 31st December 1929, new tricolor flag unfurled. On 26 January was fixed as Independence Day. Delhi Manifesto, November 1929. November 1929, prominent national leaders, Delhi Manifesto. Purpose of RTC should be to formulate schemes for implementation of Dominion status. Congress should have in majority in RTC. Government should apply policy of reconciliation. Viceroy Irwin rejected demands from Delhi Manifesto. CDM Salt Satyagraha. January 31, 1930, ultimatum to accept or reject 11 points demand. Reduce expenditure 50%, impose total prohibition, reforms in CF, CFT, changes in Arms Act, release of political prisoners, postal reservation bills, reduce rupee sterling exchange ratio, introduce textile production reserving coastal shipping for Indian companies, reduce land revenue by 50%, abolish salt tax and government salt monopoly. To achieve aim of the complete independence, Gandhi launched CDM. Sabarmati 12th March, Dandi 5 April. Tamil Nadu, C. Rajagopalachari, Malabar, K. Kalepan, Assam, Sylhet to Noakhali, Asset, Nehru, April, Gandhi 5 May to 25 January. Other forms of upsurges CDM: Surya Sen, Chittagong, Ghaffar Khan, Khadayal Khudmatgar, Bihar, Chaukidar tax, Chije, no tax movement, May and Nona, Rani Gadinulu. First Round Table Conference 1930 held in London on 12 November 1930 to discuss Simon Commission boycotted by INC. Commission had proposed self-government in provinces, Federation of British India and Princely State at centre. Who attended? Muslim League Jinnah Shafi Aga Khan, Hindu Mahasabha, B.S. Monje, M.R. Jaikar, Depressed Classes, Ambedkar Ratna Malai, Srinivasan, Sikh Sardar Ujjwal Singh. First RTC adjourned to 2 January 1931. Gandhi Irwin Pact, 5 March 31. Also called as Delhi Pact, efforts of Sapru and Jaikar. For first time, Congress defined Swaraj for masses. Karachi session. Government agreed on prisoners' release, not convicted, remission of all fines, Nehru, sorry, return of all laws not yet sold to third party, lenient treatment, resigned, resigned government servant, right to peacefully and non-aggressive Pickering. Congress agreed on suspend CDM, participation in second RTC. Karachi session, 26 March. Admired bravery and sacrifice of martyrs, 23rd March. Shahid Divas. Approved the pact. Fundamental rights. National Economic Program. President Vallabhbhai Patel. Second Roundtable Conference, December 1931. During Viceroyalty of Lord Wellington, Gandhiji INC attended. RTC failed because Gandhiji could not agree British PM Ramsay MacDonald on his policy of communal representation and refusal of government British on the basis of Indian demand for freedom. Concluded on 1st December 1931 without any concrete result. December 29, 1931, CDM 2. 4 January 1932, Gandhi arrested. April 1934, Gandhi decided to the civil disobedience movement CDM. CDM did not sustain for long time because Gandhi and other leaders had no time to build high temperament. Communal MacDonald or MacDonald Award, 16 August 1932, based on the findings of Indian Franchise Committee, Lothian Committee, separate electorates for depressed classes minorities, 3% reservation for women in all provinces except NWFP. Gandhi attacked on Indian unity went on indefinite fast on 20th September 1932, Yerwada Jail, Pune. Ambedkar, MC Raj, Triple M, 24 September 1932, Pune Pact. PM MC MacDonald, right wing leader Churchill. Pune Pact 1932, September 24, 1932. B.R. Ambedkar, MC Raje plus Triple M. Abandoned the separate electorate for depressed classes. Seats reserved for depressed classes. Provincial Legislative Council 71 to 147. Central Legislative Council 18% of the total. Accepted by government as an amendment to communal awards. Third RTC, November 1932. Wellington 1931-36. Congress leaders were in prison. Government of India Act 1935. Lord Wellington 3 list. Darky at center by Cambridge in 6 out of 11 province. A, B, B, S, U, P, N. RBI, FPSC, Federal Court set up in 1937. Established Council of India 1858. Introduction of Advisory Board in its place. Supremacy of British Parliament, safeguard to minorities, voting rights to 10% population, increased size of legislature. Congress rejected 1937 election. 28th month Congress rule. Government majority in all provinces except Bengal, Assam, PJ, Sindh and WFP. Congress ministries formed in Bombay, Madras, CP, Odisha, UP and Bihar. Later in WFP and Assam. Feb 1937 to September 1939, 28 months. Work done. Laws and order, prison, release, press freedom, agreement, labor reform, economic reforms, National Planning Committee set up under Congress President S.C. Bose in 1938, Chairman J. Nehru, social reforms J. Nehru, without consulting India World War II, so resigned on 22 December 1939, day of deliverance. Labor reform 1938, Kamgar Chokshi Samiti, Rajendra Prasad. Industrial Dispute Act 1938, tribunal formed. Grazing made free, Bombay, half Bengal. Planning Committee for Women, Rani Lakshmi Bai Rajwale. Pak or Lahore Resolution 24 March 1940, Lahore session of Muslim League. Lahore Resolution rejected the federal scheme as envisaged in the Government of India Act 1935, All India Federation of Provinces and Princely States. August offer 8 August Viceroy Lilithgo, Congress President Maulana Azad, Dominion status, expansion of Viceroy's Executive Council, setting up Constitution Assembly after the war. Indians would decide constitution according to the social, economic, political conception. No further constitution to be adopted without concept of minorities. Congress rejected the offer. Nehru Dominion concept is dead as doornail. Individual Satyagraha. October 1940, December 1941. CWC decided to start it on 17 October 1940. Vinoba Bhave, J. Nehru, Brahma Datta sent to jail for violating the Defence of India Act 1940. Delhi Chalo by Vinoba Bhave. Demands freedom of speech against war through anti-war declaration. Cripps Mission 42. 1942 seat to seek Indian support for war after Japan entered war. Proposal Indian Union with Dominion status, setting Constitutional Assembly. After the war, British government would decide new courts but conditions. Accept new constitution but conditions. Separate union can have separate constitution. Defense of India would remain in British hand. Gigi's power would remain intact. Gandhi post-dated check. Failed. Quit India 1942. 8 August 1942 AICC meet at Gwalior Tank. Demand immediate end of British rule. Form provincial government after their withdrawal. Sanction of CDM against Britishers. 9 August leaders arrested. Movement did not stop. Public rampages. Underground activity. Lohiya J.P. Narayan, Bihu Patnaik, Aruna Sucheta, R.P. Goenka, Chotu Bhai Puranik, Usha Mehta, Underground Congress Radio at MM, Parallel Government, Balia UP, Chittu Pandey, Tamluk West Bengal, Satish Somat, Satara, Nana Patil, Talchar, Odisha. Gandhi asked soldiers not to fire on own people, asked princely states to according sovereignty of people. Gandhi fast 1943. 21-day fast in jail against violence by government. Three members from Viceroy Executive Council resigned the as the mask of protest. CR Formula 1944 Tactic Acceptance of Muslim League's demand for Pakistan. Congress plus League. Common demand of independence will form provincial governments. After war, Muslim majority areas in NWNE India plebiscite to whether or not to form separate state. CR formula evolved with the approval of Gandhi for Congress. This was first acknowledged by Congress session about the inevitability of partition. 6 Hindu Mahasabha National Liberation Front were also against the formula. In case of acceptance of partition, joint agreement on defense, commerce and communication. Jinnah rejected one nation theory, idea of common culture, second PT only Muslim population to be decide. Second partition. Desai Liaquat Pact 1945 came up with the draft proposal of the formation of an interim government. Equal number of persons nominated by the Congress and League. 20% reserved seats for the minorities. Still no compromise. Failure of talks. Representation of minorities in perpetual S's and 6. Wavell Plan 1945. June 1945 by Lord Wavell at Shimla proposal. All members in GG's Executive Council to be Indian except GGA and Com in Chief. Hindu Muslims were to have equal representation in council. Reconstructed council was to function as interim government. Defense of India was to be in Britain's hand till power transfer. All India as a reign fair member. British Commission to look after trade. Viceroy would convene meetings of Indian participant but political INC leagues so that they could nominate members. Other minorities also give one representation. League wanted all Muslim members to be league nominees. Why government keen on solution? Election in England, pressure from allies to seek India's support. INA trial 1945 November 1945 PK Sehgal Shah Nawaz Khan Guru Baksh Singh Dhillo put on trial on Red Fort. Chief Defence Advocate Bhulabhai Desai, other defence lawyers Tej Bahadur Sapru, J. Nehru, Asaf Ali, M. A. Jinnah. No communal clashes. INA brain child of Mohan Singh Rajbihari Bose. Bose 1940 forward block. Arrival in Singapore 1943. Assisted by Ghosh. October 1948 Provincial Indian Government Headquarter Rangoon Singapore. Speech Khoon Azadi. Motto Ilfaq Etemad Kurbaji. RIN Mutiny 1946 February 18, 1946 Bombay ratings of HMS Talwar Arrest of BC Dutt, who scrolled quit India on ship. Squad. Feb 1946, HMS Hindustan in Karachi also revolted. Patel and Jinla jointly persuaded Rating to surrender on 23rd Feb 1946. Reasons: racial discrimination, unpalatable food, abuse of superior officer, government responses. Only those members who were accused and murder and brutal treatment to fellow prisoners would be brought on trial. Cripps Mission 1946. Patrick Lawrence, Bharat Mantri. Stafford Cripps, President of BO Trade. A.V. Alexander, Mission on 24th 1946. Proposal rejected full-fledged Pakistan grouping of existing provincial assemblies into three. BCA. A. B. C. Common Center, Communication, Defense, External Affairs. Three-tier executive and legislature. Connote assembly to frame a constitution. After first generation election, if provinces wanted to be free, they can come out of Group ABC. Establish of interim government. Muslim League accepted. Mountbatten Plan, 3rd June 1947. Immediate transfer of power on the basis of grant of dominion status. Punjab, Bengal, H+M. To vote for partition. Sindh. Own decision referendum in NWF plus 3 Sylhet of Bengal. Boundary. Equal number Congress and ML. Radcliffe Commission. Freedom, 15 August 1947. Congress position of unity was taken into according to make Pak as small as possible. 18 July 1947, Indian Independence Act accepted idea of partition as proposed in at least declaration. Feb declaration 30 June 1948 as transfer of power. क्विट इंडिया 1942 में ये रह गया था. डिड नॉट सपोर्टेड लीग महासभा कॉम पार्टी. RSS डिड नॉट पार्टिसिपेटेड. जैपनीज एग्रेशन इन्फ्लेशन और फेलियर ऑफ क्रिप्स था. Important committees. Educational, Hunter Commission, Ripon, 1882, to study development in education. University Committee, Karjan, 1902, to study university and introduce reforms. Calcutta University Committee, Chelmsford, 1917, to study condition of universities. Sargent Plan, Lord Wavell, 1944, to raise educational standard like Britain. Famine Commission, Lytton, 1880, to give relief to famine stricken. Famine Commission, Elgin, 1897, to give suggestion on earlier report. Famine Commission, Karjan, 1900, to give suggestion on earlier reports. Irrigation Commission, Karjan, 1901, to draw comprehensive irrigation plan. Famine Commission, Wavell, 1943 to 44, to investigate in events of Bengal famines. Economic, Harshal Committee, 1893, to give suggestion regarding currency. Opium Com, 1893, to investigate effects of opium on health. Fowler Committee, to give suggestion on currency. McLagan Committee, to advise on cooperative finance. Linthgow Committee, Irwin, 1928, to study problem in agriculture. Whiteley Committee, to study condition of labor in industries and gardens. National Planning Committee, Chairman Jawaharlal Nehru. Linthgow, 1938, to prepare economic plan. Administrative, Atkinson Committee, Dufferin, 1886, to involve Indians in civil service. Fraser Commission, Karjan, 1902, to investigate working of police. Royal Commission on Civil Service, Chairman Islington, to give 25% higher post to Indians. Harding, 1912. Royal Commission Chair Lord Lee, to remove defects of civil service. 1924. Sandhurst Commission, 1926, to suggest Indianization of Indian Army. Butler Commission, 1927, to inquire into relationship between Indian state and paramount power. Subcommittee of Simon Commission, to review working of diarchy system and to look into constitutional reforms.